facing the rising sun of a new day begun.
Right on, King Jesus.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She's always right there when I need her.
Almost gave up every time I failed.
I've been waiting, you answered my prayer.
So if you want to see the full performances from the choirs again, remember you can catch our rebroadcast on Tuesday at 5:30 p.m. right here on TVJ. And join us next week when our choirs will bring a strong Jamaican rhythm to the stage with the best in reggae and dancehall hits. It will be the top 6 schools, possibly joined by a golden note pick. Whatever the number, only 5 choirs will advance, so it's going to be the survival of the fittest in singing. Thanks to our choir.